So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of your Duolingo account. So the first thing you want to do is open up Duolingo, the app. You'll probably be automatically logged in. So on here you can see at the bottom the three dots, so you can click on that. You can see feed, you can see profile, practice. I suggest you click on profile. On here you can see some options like courses, your followers and following numbers, and you can also see the settings in the top right. Click on that. You can see preferences, profile, notifications, courses, Duolingo for school, social accounts, private settings, and stuff like that. And you can see the option sign out. You can click on that. Once you do that, you're going to be already signed out. You can see your account. You can sign back in. You can add another account, so it saves some of your information. It's going to be easier for you to sign back in, but logging out will look like this. You can just go ahead and click on that. And you can also go to manage accounts and remove the account so you don't even see it on here anymore. But if you wish to go back, just click on the account that you just logged out of. And you can see here it says signing you in. So it's quite simple, the process to sign out and also to sign back in. You just go to here and you can go to your profile to go to settings, and after that you can just go ahead and sign out. So that's about it, and you can sign back in quite easily, and you can even remove your account if you don't want it to be associated with this device anymore. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duolingo or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.